In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search someone on LinkedIn without them knowing. If you want to browse profiles more discreetly, LinkedIn gives you a privacy setting that lets you control what other people see when you visit their profile. This can be useful if you're doing research, checking out potential connections, reviewing competitors, or simply exploring profiles without drawing attention to yourself. The good news is that turning this on only takes a moment. Start by going to your LinkedIn homepage and looking at the top of the screen. You'll see the Me icon there, which opens your personal account menu. Click on that icon to access your account-related options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all of the controls related to your account, privacy, and visibility preferences. Once you're in that area, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the page and click Visibility. Inside the Visibility section, you'll find settings related to how your profile and activity appear to other users. Under the area called Visibility of your profile and network, click on Visibility when viewing other profiles. This specific setting controls what information people can see about you when you visit their profile. You'll usually be given different visibility options here, but the one you want is Private Mode. Select Private Mode to browse anonymously. Once this is enabled, LinkedIn will no longer show your name or identifying details when you look at someone's profile. One thing to keep in mind is that using Private Mode may also limit your ability to see who has viewed your own profile, depending on your account type and LinkedIn's current features. So if you switch this on, just remember that privacy can sometimes come with a trade-off. If your goal is simply to search someone on LinkedIn without them knowing you viewed their profile, this setting is the key. After you enable Private Mode, you can continue searching and viewing profiles with more privacy. And that's it. It's a very quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference if you want to keep your browsing activity discreet. If needed, you can always return to the same visibility settings later and switch back to a different profile viewing option whenever you want.